Hi, and today we're going to have a look at how to make this beautiful tray with these mother of pearl tiles. I thought this would look stunning with Just For You Online UK's Eco Pour. So first of all, I'm going to choose the little tiles that I want to use and just place them where I want to pop them. So here we go. Remembering to put them pretty side down because that's how we're going to view them once we've demoulded. I'm going to seal them now with the UV resin because I don't want to have to sand it afterwards. I want to be able to just pour the Eco Pour on it and then be done. So I'm just going to seal the edges with this Apex UV resin, again from Just For You Online UK. We'll leave that to do its thing. I've done every single one. Another of my favourites here is the Luxury Sparkle Mica powder. Oh my days. This does not do it justice. It's so sparkly. It is that the ignition glitter set that you can get from Just For You Online UK is one of my absolute favourites. If you invest in one of those, you really won't regret it. But I'm just going to pop this in different places on the mould, and it will create little indents and little areas of sparkle when it comes to pouring the Eco Pour. So I shall carry on doing that for a little bit. And now we come to the Eco Pour. You literally just add water. That's all you do. The ratio for this is 30 grams of water to every 100 grams of powder. So for ours, I'm going to use, for this particular mould, I normally use 90 grams of water, 300 grams of the powder. It is genuinely, literally mixed in seconds. The amazing thing about it as well is you can demould it in 30 to 40 minutes. There's no hazardous chemicals or harsh chemicals in it, so you can use this with the kids over the summer holidays, or make a lovely little tray or something for Nan. It's such a brilliant product to use. So easy, so quick and so effective. Just tapping the mould slightly to get any bubbles that might be trapped in the sides up, and then literally leave it. 30 to 40 minutes later I should be back to demould. And the moment of truth, always one of the most exciting parts about working with resin or Eco Pour, the demould. So there we go, and I am really happy with it. And look how that Luxury Sparkle Mica, you can't see how sparkly it is in the video, it doesn't do it justice, but I just love the little craters it creates. Yeah, very happy with this one. I made, with the leftover, I made a little tiny pot so it can go as a set. There you go, honestly it's limitless, the things you can make with this beautiful Eco Pour. So I hope you've enjoyed watching, and thank you.